Today we're going to check out this heated Softshell jacket with carrying case and battery that charges your cell phone as well. Let's get to it. Time to try on the GoHero jacket. It is, well, it goes on easy. I ordered, I'm in between an XL and an XXL, so I ordered the larger size so that, you know, I can layer up if necessary, but I'm hoping I don't have to layer up with the heat inside. So it fits exactly as I would expect. It has a little bit of room, and again, I'm in between sizes here, so went up a size. I would call this true to fit. It feels light enough, but definitely has some insulation to it. I cannot really feel the wires or heating elements in here. It feels like just a normal jacket. You'll see from the back here. We'll put the hood up. So we have the hood. Also has the Velcro here to support it, so when the snow is coming down and you're shoveling or snow blowing and the wind's blowing, you have some good protection there. It's a comfortable jacket. Now let's get into heating it. We have the battery here, and we're going to install it. I guess we install into the coat, right? There's a secret little handy pocket right down here, and this wire that comes out. So we will plug it in. All right, so now it's time to heat it up. How cool is this, right? We're gonna put it in the pocket, right? So we're at 100% charge on the battery. We'll zip it up. And then to turn it on, we're gonna press and hold here until it lights up. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but it lit up red there. If you push it again, it turns white. If you push it again, it turns blue, back to red. Those are temperature levels, okay? And red light is the highest temperature, which gets you 130 degrees for 4 to 5 hours. White is medium, is 115 degrees for 6 to 7 hours, and blue is the lowest temperature at 100 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 hours of battery life. So now we wait. Let's see how long it takes to warm up. Well, it's only been about 30 seconds since I shut the camera off, and I can already feel across my chest the band warming up here already. So you do get instant heat. Okay, so there's plenty of heat going on in here on this highest setting. But while we're warming up here, I want to try something here because I didn't check the directions yet, but I see there is a USB port here. So we're going to see if we can charge this cell phone from it. And there we go. All right, so I'm in a 70-degree air-conditioned room, so obviously you don't need that kind of heat. It is very warm, like extremely warm here. Not quite sweating yet, but after 5 minutes of wearing, it's very warm. But I have to tell you, it's comfortable. I like the fact that I can charge my cell phone while I'm wearing it, but I think I'm going to do a test to see how this retains heat in a much colder environment. Let's do that. All right, so here's a super unscientific test to give you an idea. I'm going to use this meat thermometer, which isn't a great way to measure ambient temperature, but I'm going to place it in this chest freezer here, close it, and then we'll see what happens to the temperature. All right, you can see it immediately dropping. So within 45 seconds, we're down almost to freezing already. Now what I'm going to do is have the meat thermometer wear the jacket, and we will see what happens to the temperature in the freezer. We're already at 73 and rising. After 1 minute, we're at 86 degrees. We've been in the freezer for almost 15 minutes and we're at 122 degrees. Again, I know a meat thermometer doesn't measure ambient temperature, so this is kind of the equivalent of lying on, you know, a big piece of ice or something, and to see what the jacket would protect you from. So interesting way to take a look at it, though, I think. So overall, I love this jacket. It's really functional. Obviously keeps you warm. You see it was in the freezer for some time. Just put it back on, still warm. So really great jacket. It looks good. It's functional. We love the hood. Love the fact that you can charge your cell phone without issue. And it's just overall a really cool, very functional, very warm jacket. So highly recommend.